Hi, we are see the employee table exists currently. So I want to drop employee table from database practice. For that, we write here change set on drop table. So currently I write here employee table and see currently exist and I for getting a reflection I restart the application now. See, and so currently we face a issue. Let's see. Now change the ID and start the application. If the application successfully started, okay, produce error, duplicate identifier. Okay, change the now restart the application. Now if successfully application started, then it will be reflected. Now application started. Now see the reflection. So currently employee table is dropped successfully. It is not exist in a practice table. Now see, is not available. So if you remove the entire table from the database, then only drop table we can use for that and specify the table name. So that's it.